everybody won't blow. Now he make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody.
Killer.
Die.
The way you dey press this thing for your face, you go die, yo.
Never me should die. Tada, now we.
Osaze, sharks. Who now keep me? I'll call police.
Oh, so you don't know us now. When you dey pretend like say you don't know us, they speak critical accent. I feel we be strangers.
You don't get it. Your retentive memory don't come back, abi. Now we.
They do now. They own. I'll call police.
Shut up. You don't owe us money. If you know they even owe anybody money, now me you owe money.
You
be bad person.
Yes.
After everything I don't do for you, you decide to pay me back. If I listen your matter, I go be like say make I cry. You be very wicked woman, be Eseosa. You be now me say you did this Lagos now because of me, and you go to misbehave.
When you come and interview you now, not because I know now. Interview. I'll call police.
Just shut up.
I'll call police.
You not fit call police because as it is, we know say you get $200,000 inside this house.
This is not by police. Not people fair call police, and they win case. If police come and they go arrest all of us.
I don't know what they talk about. I don't get any money.
Like say they whine. Don't start this your bad character.
I don't get any money.
Eseosa, just tell us where this money dey.
Why go they let on a back?
I don't see. I don't think you are doing a couple with you.
So they mean you friend.
Just shut up. Sharks, check if you are not see that money go inside this room. Check if you move if you as I did and see I did bloody. I say you don't know the real character what I get. I did kill now.
But since they no money now, go check.
Afa.
I don't see any money. You just say she never can go back.
Can I go back? I say I don't see this money inside this room. Give away the money now.
Okay, wait.
I don't get any money.
You shut up. Maybe we go search the house.
But I didn't check everywhere for afternoon now.
But I tell you, say the door lock.
So you don't check everywhere?
I be spirits.
Is this away that money?
I don't get any money.
Is this away the money?
I swear to God.
It's very dangerous. So. I say I could go bring knife. See, you know what's happening? Go kitchen, bring rope, we'll tie him, strangle.
You want tie who?
You will tie you.
If
you move, go.
You want tie who?
If you move, Eseosa. If you move, after everything. Shut up. Nobody.
So the me be the friend.
Shut up. Me are friend with you, Chris. Bring that rope. We're gonna kill you. If you I go at the elbow, they bite people here.
Sharks. I want to spoil our friendship without build over the years now.
Which friendship, Eseosa? Which friendship? So now you know say we be friends. Eseosa, when you put us for gates and kitchen, you don't remember that one.
But when you not come, I never interview now and play now.
You take grace. Eseosa, take waka. You dey really dey grace where. Now you be the definition of people when they bite hand when feed them. Eseosa, when you come this Lagos, now me Sharks be your first connect. I put you inside us. Now me to still help you hook leke for our compound. Now you don't become millionaire with ease. You forget everything where I don't do for you.
Sharks, I beg. But not they talk this kind of way they talk again. Why if they talk like that, anything you don't give it to me, you give it to for free. I don't pay your house rent.
Shut up, which house rent? You know how much people they pay for my house? And they collect 5K for them. Reach your turn, I mean you pay 1K.
5K now there.
Oh. You see, your master is sharp. Okay, what about the work when I help you with? The one when I find for you, then frank people work, uncle.
Sharks, I even pay you agency fee. You charge me agency fee. Sharks, don't do like say you don't do anything free for me. So I don't call this Lagos and they pay you your money. Ask down. You see, I don't know how you say send me out to their frack and you boys. That's why I call your house when I don't fit stay Arabella's house. I say may I go peace before I come back. I still say Frank and the boys don't call. You don't tell me as. You outbreak me. You dey talk freshy. You don't know what you do.
Wait till they talk. That one not be true.
That one not be true. Osaze, may I just tell you now. You don't fit trust these sharks. Now me be your best bet.
Shut up. No matter what happen, she still better pass you.
See, I know say we know they be friend again. But now me be your biggest supporter. It better me dey with me than to dey with this shark. This shark na kill me now.
Don't let me load you slap. Tell me where the money dey. Now that one I want hear.
I don't care any money.
You dey try me. You know say life dey kitchen. Eseosa, me I go stab you.
You fit keep me, Osaze.
I go shook you. And from me I go start. I go shook you.
You want shook my cleats?
I go scatter and match am for ground.
Osaze, you don't forget how we dey lolo for Benin.
Shut up then. As I tell you, I no be so tete. Everywhere go no be pa. I don't need them again. See, as it be like this way, go lock this guy inside this room.
Who na one lock?
Now wait till go up, no worry.
Osaze, more release me.
I say this is how they put him in the play.
Osaze, don't leave me for here. More don't leave me for here. Money not.
Shh, Femi, I've gone.
Sharks.
Don't be like this. Oh. Shut up. I know they get messy for this girl. They talk about kuntus. The one I tell leave the kuntus, no be say I know say me. I know say my night go don't slack. Lagos boys.
But not be money with the why you dey
Tight
tie
kuntus what I carry from Benin call Lagos. They slack am. Awoyaya down to VI.
Small na 2 times you want tie.
I'm paid. Different thing they pay me. Money they pay me, kuntus they pay me, everything they pay me. Why you pay me? Oh? I know say I don't do for this girl. All this kuntus they don't slack and finish.
Not go we call
Oh, join oh. I don't get what again. I lose money, lose kuntus. And my body they prepare me oh. Body they bites me. From my Awoyaya down to VI. I know they don't use this kuntus. Kuntus see. All these things are my.
Now waiting with the fine be this.
Make I scatter and go they go. I say make I rush. Where they go?
Hey!
See money, oh. See money. See money, oh.
So we don't blow.
We
don't finally blow.
Hey! This money they bust in my phone,
So time no dey. Okay, we won't waste time. We will just count the money so we fish it.
Yeah, 50-50. Bad, put it in.
You and who they do 50-50. Now 60-40, I will take 60, you will take 40.
Okay, you go day 60, me go day 40.
Yes.
I feel this one only Chris. What you go make you do so? Why 60-40? Only when I discover say they this house.
Who will show you route to Lagos?
Okay, show me the road to Lagos. See when you come Lagos, you don't pick. Which kind of nonsense stuff with that? Eh? Better behave yourself. Oh. When you don't call and agree don't enter.
Now 60-40 we will share this.
Okay, come share 60-40 now. Come share 60-40. Only when I find
don't waste time. Don't do relax. We don't 50-50.
Okay, I don't feel run 50-50 with you. That the real spirit where you bring don't enter me. Now 60-40, now so we'll take share. Now me find this money, now me discover some money in this house.
You said counter.
Who counter finish?
Here we your counter first. Hi. Hey.
Go down. Like that, you see they look my face.
Because they didn't match you for you.
Sorry, sir.
Boy, you're supposed to do this guy strong thing. Boss.
Get local.
Come out, feel that sugar cane. I hear say you try escape.
No, sir. No. I didn't, sir.
They speak English. Can you be a bow?
I'm so sorry, sir.
You and Mama P trust. Now you didn't mess up like this. Eh? Ma put something for your head now.
Sir, please, sir. No, only me and Mama born, please, sir. Please.
Only your ma born. Now only your ma born.
Please, sir.
No be Mama born you.
Mama born you.
No be Mama born you.
You never see anything.
Please, sir.
Carry yourself, come out for here. Come on for here if I change my mind and they walk you.
Thank you, sir.
Side B.
Boss, you let them go.
Yes.
No, I'm more follow him up.
I better free this one.
Why now?
This thing they useless now.
But senior man, if my happy find out say let this bubble go, she go do a strong thing.
You down for me. So you papilo dey my side. Say yeah.
Okay.
Then these guys with the trail it they call am OVA. And then me they free am.
Okay, boss. No,
Don't
you
be.
are boss.
Trust your
boss.
judgment.
Yeah, I'm really good.
Sharks.
Eh?
What did happen? You won't drink this night?
Go drink now. At least you know if you come out this house with this money this night.
How? Who they go first now?
Osaze, the woman we enter road with this kind of money this night. What if police catch us?
Oh, that's true. Because those ones they hide the true code. If you proof person collect this money for the hand.
Yes, now. Besides, we'll just enjoy Eseosa house tonight. Relax, feel at home.
Come here, I don't really feel at home. I don't really spread.
Relax,
Oh, yeah, now.
take
But the thing is, me, I no go to drink. I no go to drink because me person no go high.
We no go to drink. We will just enjoy small. You open her now. Leave the money. You know they wrong.
Just the
We
physical.
will enjoy this night.
Me no go dey move. You know say this country they say snake swallow monkey. This was something. Me no come be like say the Chris.
See, you reach money, you carry bag. No fit open this one.
My sister, mama, I know your day.
Talk for me first.
The ladies first.
So. You don't do.
Mo your dey shark. Mo your dey wanyo.
Yeah.
Mo your dey orin.
Small. No let that one play.
No problem. Me your day like this.
How you go to the
Oh,
door?
cheers now.
Service.
To more money.
Yes.
To the millionaires.
To more enjoyment.
To the dollar gang.
Dollar
Otedola and Dangote
I like
gang.
that name, dollar gang.
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
Brenda. Come bomb dey your head. No be how they come.
My name na ST.
Did they worry you? Come, when you go support this pretense way they do, me they ask him for.
I don't know what they talk about.
I'll go free you.
Wallahi, I don't know anything about that Eseosa girl. I swear.
I know say you don't go and cast your friend. Listen, I'll go free you under one condition. Come work for me.
With the grace.
See, me and you, if you work this thing out, you feel me? Go run this thing, it go set, it go pure for me and you.
I don't feel you. No one need that kind of life again. I don't come out of no.
See what that is. Wait, so you don't stop all those pretense, say you know be Brenda again. No you be this. Brenda, reason of that year, you be one of our best friends.
I don't send that kind of thing.
You have talent. Okay? Don't waste it.
By living at the edge of a gun, I better fashi that thing. Just fashi am.
They pull out Mama P in gang.
You dey why? You know if you try am. Okay.
I know they reason the matter for some time. I want to raise my own men. Yes. And I want to make you go and train my girls. But I hope you know, say most of the girls now, Europe, America, and they now, they feel me.
Abeg, just fash that to me, I no send.
Come. Make I clear you. Do you hear? You see this one way it is, so you are neck deep in the shit. In case you don't understand, nothing way if you do, now here you did, now here you die. They feel me? No way out. So it's either you work for me, or you work for her. You choose. See how? So I see the fret. You get head reason.
Which kind of now? Which kind of Eseosa? I could go punish that Eseosa, I swear to God.
But William, I know person wey dey connected to Eseosa o.
Repeat what you talk now.
I say I know person wey dey connected to Eseosa.
Maybe.
His name na Agent Alonge.
Alonge. Wimby.
See that man, I just had to find one small place, I fit use spare shed. Now Eseosa introduced me to the guy. I ain't carry me, they find one or two places, you know, one or two houses like that. So that you look there two that time, the guy said there two. It be like 5 and 6, then close die. It be like bread and butter.
Where have you find out?
Wetin happen? Wait, just help for una dey fall for who? Una know where una come? Which side which person house? Who una dey find? Answer me now, no be you I dey follow dey talk. Yeah! Anita! Hey!
Agent Magnus Alonge.
Ma, sir, Oga, yeah, sir.
Good morning.
Egu.
Something about me be say I know they waste my greeting, so when a friendly matter I just come follow you relate. Now you go determine whether na good morning or been a bad morning it will be for you.
Oga, wetin I do?
How may you do something for me?
Wetin be that, Oga? Anything?
If you no do am, I no go only hurt you, I go off you. I go delete you.
Yeah, Igben me.
See, I want me you carry me go where she dey.
Wetin be this? Who be this?
You dey doubt?
I don't know am.
You don't know him?
I don't know am.
You know what they call this thing?
Yeah, Oga. I know am. Abeg join me carry this thing go one corner. Oga, I don't know. Say na Ibadi you dey talk. I know am. I know am, Oga.
You know, so I've been telling you saying a friendly thing before. Confirm. One leg.
They move.
I go cooperate with you, Oga. My lighter lie. I go cooperate.
Ta-da!
Osaze, waiting now. Waiting for the meaning of this one. I better come out for that. Osaze, leave me. Leave me. I go shoot you. I will never get. I go injure you. I go injure you.
Domestic violence.
I dey tell you for that woman.
Jesus. Go down. Jesus. Obi.
Funny, sir. I don't know anything, yo. I don't know anything.
Where will I be?
I don't know anything, yo.
Okay.
Search everywhere.
Sir, now.
Search everywhere.
Now work at the work for you. I don't know anything, sir.
Now me be gate man for the house.
I be house help. I don't know anything.
You now maid.
Yes.
You know house help. I be waiting call.
Now me be gate man, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But money dey your hand.
No. Money?
Now money in the bag.
I don't know whether the money dey inside though.
Eseosa. I don't touch again, Abi.
You didn't know my name.
I didn't know your name. Come. You don't spend my money finish, Abi. Abi, I build this house. I get this kind of place. Now my money, now you take get this kind of place, no be so.
No, my mother be this and they won't cast out there, but I don't know what they're talking about.
What is it? You the crazy, so go back, boy. Who be your madam? Not be a blouse.
God, madam, what did they happen?
Hey! Madam, calling somebody, madam.
Come, una dey use me dey play for here.
No, I can't play.
Quiet. Una dey use me dey play.
I became man at the house get be this.
Move all these people come up for you.
No, okay, that's not close.
When we reach, you go know we get man.
Okay, wait, make I explain to you. Not
one near me.
No, I don't near you.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't know. I be asked there.
That should be our mom.
One blow, I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it so far head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it so far head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you go hold the cash. When you make a move, then